Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips in our channel. You can subscribe our channel to get this type of videos. In today's video, I will discuss about Tech Mahindra job notification. They are hiring freshers for the post of graduate engineer trainee position, and CTC is very good, 3.5 LPA. So I will discuss in details in this video. If you want to stay in this video, please stay with me because this video will be very interesting for the all the engineering graduates. So let's start this video. So you can see the job notification is for the graduate engineer trainee position. BE Tech can apply, and year of passing are eligible is 2018, 2019 and 2020. So it is very good opportunity for all those previous years pass outs. So those who have not got any opportunity to do job in MNCs, those are getting chance to do their first career job with Tech Mahindra by preparing very well and by cracking the interview. Okay, so it's a very good company, Tech Mahindra, and the CTC they gives an hike also very good in this company, so you can try this. So mainly their registered office in Mumbai and also they're headquartered in Pune. So they're mainly hiring for many locations all across the India locations they are hiring. BTech MCA also can apply. So 3.5 LPA they have decided. So you can check it. I will obviously show you how to register. Like this will be a virtual online event. So as a graduate engineer trainee, you will be working under a team or in a team in diverse project. To be successful in this role, you must possess strong analytical skill and technical skill, and you must be communicate clearly, confidently with clients. You must be flexible enough, ready to work in agile environment, and also 24/7 projects also. Your key responsibilities will be you will be carry out the task, continuously learn and improve your skills, deliver the assigned project task, etc. So mainly the technical skills they are asking. If you have 1 to 2 years relevant experience in one or more these technologies, then it will be a plus point to you. It is not mandatory. I am repeating, it is not mandatory to have these skills. So you can apply if you don't have any experience prior, but you have the knowledge because in your final year also you have completed your Java training or Java full stack training. Somehow someone have .NET training. So all these things, all these technologies are very relevant to CS or IT or EC students. So I will say that don't lose your hope if you have no experience. If you have done your training on these technologies, you can also apply and you can showcase your experience in that project. I think I can suggest you that if you have done some utilization of your this training, like if you have prepared some project in this after completion of this training, then you can showcase that project in your CV so that it can be selected at the time of CV shortlist process. So that's why I'm just suggesting you, when you prepare your CV, just mention the projects you have done in these technologies when you have done your training in the final year or after completion of your final year, like the Java, full stack, .NET, Angular, SAP, ABAP, Python, automation testing, etc., and also Oracle PL SQL. So mainly the eligibility criteria they have fixed is you have to secure minimum 60% marks or first class in your 10th as well as 12th as well as in your graduate, that is BE Tech or postgraduate MCA can have secure 60% marks. Minimum 60% required in higher secondary and diploma also if you have done. Not more than 1 year gap is allowed since your 10th pass. So undergraduate qualification, as I have mentioned, minimum marks is 60% and batches eligible are computer science, electronics and communication, information technology and telecommunication. All these branches are eligible for this drive. No backlogs are accepted. Okay. For PG qualification, MCA in computer science required and the minimum marks should be 60%. Post graduation in 2018-19 or 2020 can apply for this job. And you can see there are multiple apply link for various location, like those who are from Pune location, those can click for the Pune location. Those are from Chennai can click on the Chennai. Those are from Hyderabad or want to do job in Hyderabad, those can select Hyderabad. Also, the candidates other than from these states like Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Noida or Mumbai, those can also apply. But in which location or which is your preferred location, you need to select that one and you need to apply based on that your selected location. Suppose I am selecting for Bangalore. Okay, just click on the Bangalore link, then it will go to the application page in the firstnaukri.com. So through firstnaukri.com, Tech Mahindra is hiring, so you need to prepare your profile there. So just you need to click on apply now, and 3 months probation period is there. So 3.5 LPA is within this probation period, that is the 3 months. So after probation period, your salary will be increased to 4 lakh. So you are getting chance to increase your salary after 3 months. So I will say it's not a very too much time gap to get an increment in this type of product based company or this type of service based companies. So I will say it's a very good opportunity, and no application fee is required, so you can easily apply now. So just click on apply now, then you need to log in there. Obviously, if you are not a member of First Naukri, then you need to register their profile there with your name, email, password. After registering, you need to log in and apply. For other location also the same procedure, like for if I click Mumbai, then also the same procedure. Okay, so that's it my friends. I think this video is very much helpful to all of you. I have discussed everything in this video. So if you really like this content, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, because they also expecting to get hired by these companies. So try to share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you friend. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care.